Do you know many people are having trouble with attaching the EZEZ UNT to their Cobra RAD 700i? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Remove backing. Step 1. Remove the backing from the EZ mag mount. Step 2. Attach to windshield. Step 2. Firmly press the EZ mag mount onto the windshield and flip the locking clamp. Step 3. Attach detector. Step 3. Tilt the detector's display end slightly upward and attach it to the mounting bracket. Step 4. Adjust view. Step 4. Adjust the view by loosening the thumb wheel, change the angle, and then tighten it back. Step 5. Detach detector. Step 5. Lift the display end of the detector to detach it from the mount. Step 6. Remove mount. Step 6. To remove the mount from the windshield, release the locking clamp and pull the tab. Follow these steps and you'll have your Cobra RAD 700i securely mounted and ready for use. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Cobra users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.